This brand is from Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group. The brand is made in Mexico and is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use direct spark ignition, which is louder and less reliable than brands that use hot surface ignition. The units have a blocked drain sensor so that, if the condensate drain becomes clogged, the furnace is shut down to prevent water damage to the furnace and surrounding area. The W92T models are basic single-stage furnaces with a 92% AFUE efficiency and a fixed-speed blower motor, while the W962W models are premium two-stage units with a 96% AFUE combustion efficiency. The furnaces are four-way multi-position units which allow the dealers to have less inventory and therefore lower costs. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.